Good day to my future employer. I am Irene Grace Mangubat, 26 years old, single, and without children. I am a college graduate with a Bachelor of Science in Agricultural Business, and I am now currently living in Bacolod City, Philippines. Although I may not have any working experience overseas, but I worked as a helper here in Magari City, Philippines from 2017 to 2019, and I served one family with 4 members and 2 cats. One couple, one 7-year-old boy, one 72-year-old elderly woman, and 2 cats. My main duties is to take good care of the child, preparing him to school, assisting him with his homeworks, and as well as playing with his toys together and reading books together as well. And as well as it includes doing household chores such as cleaning, mopping, cooking, ironing, doing the laundry, and as well as I assist the 72-year-old elderly woman. I assist her for her medication, assisting her with the foods, and as well as in walking. Additionally, I do the gardening and car washing once a week. And to my future employer, I promise to take good care of your family as my own. I will follow your rules, and I will faithfully serve you and fulfill my duties and responsibilities in your house. And thank you so much. More power and God bless.